good afternoon, fairies. Welcome back to my channel. Ang play palette eyeshadow. Ayan. Ito yung isusubukan natin ngayon. I get also this one, blush. Cheek color. So, ito yung gagamitin natin ngayon. I-review natin. Same time, I'm doing makeup tutorial. Let's call it as a bridal makeup. So, fairies, let's start now. First, I will prepare my skin for doing the tutorial and the review of the eye. Maybe I'll be back later after doing the that's all for now. Moisturizer ang ating face para may protection. This again, SUPERSTAY. Okay, I'm back, fairies, and I'm the eyebrow. So, before the eyeshadow, lalagyan muna, since wala ako ng eye primer, ng mata nyo. So, ito nagtatry ko para maging eye primer ko. Blendable texture, making them a must-have for your handbag. Conveniently sized palette and versatile shade collection allow you to create both classic and playful looks that are easy to apply on the go. And let's see kung totoo nga ba ang kiniklaim niya dito. So, here, fairies, ang ganda ng color niya. Let's watch. Oh, see? Very beautiful. Wow, so nice. Let's try kung okay ba talaga yung payoff ng colors niya, ng shades niya. And then swatch ko muna siya for you, fairies, ha? Let's start here, down, here. Kung ba parang ano siya, yung sa baba, let's start here. Swatch yung first, yung mga matte colors. Color niya eh. Oh. Yeah, parang peach yung pinakahuli. Yung matte shade ng 16 palettes ng Play palette ng MAYBELLINE. Ayan. Here, yung shimmer shade niya, oh. 6 eye shimmer shades niya. Ayan. Kita niyo ba, guys? Oh. Ayan. Ang gaganda ng shimmer shades niya. Highlighter and this one. Ang ganda. And then, this one yung matte color niya. Kita niyo ba, guys? So, let's start. I will use unclutched brush. So, gagawin kong base. Ito ang gagawin kong base. Matte siya. May fallout siya. Kaya natin siya ng base para ito gagawin kong transition. See? Here. Sa crease. Para medyo darker na. Guys, may fallout siya pero minimal lang. And then wala pa naman ako nakikitang fallout dyan sa face na ano. Natin to ilalagay para may darker shades siya. Very pigmented. Loving it. And blend na lang natin later. I'm done with the crease and then ito ko siya ilalagay, oh. I use this one. natin to para maging darker siya. This one. And now I'm done. I will use this one, contouring my nose, this one. The other one. Fall off this way. EB blush in the shade of rose. Hindi siya. Okay. Ay, bakit ganun? Ouch! Meron pala siya kasamang brush. Maliit. And then may mirror siya, guys. Oh, ayan. Ayan siya, guys. Pigmented. So, we have to be very careful applying this kasi baka masobrahan. Sayang na makeup. So, let's try. Then, tap-tap muna dito. Wow, ganda. Ang ganda niya, oh. See that? Oh. Ganda ng highlighter ko. Yung sa eyeshadow yan. Ito yan. Kaya hanggang kamay lang ginamit ko kasi ayaw sa brush. Ayaw niyang kumapit. So, I use my what to name with this makeup tutorial that I'm doing. I don't know. Pwede ba ito sa wedding? Wedding bridal makeup. I will use this Avon lipstick, perfectly matte. So this is it, guys. Fairies, the finished product, the